My main goal was to get them to talk about math. My hope was for students to explore different ways of solving problems, to get to know what other people were thinking, and to get students talking about math, talking about strategies that they've used, or asking, how did you do that? Or even if they didn't ask it, but they started thinking about, what did she do? Or how did she get that?
You're going to see your teachers question you a lot in these math labs. You're not going to get the answers sometimes, and it might frustrate you. But it's purposeful because we really want to get to the heart of your thinking.
Even if I'm really effective at something, I think I can always improve. So my advice would be, maybe the first year you implement it, it doesn't go so well, but every year that you try it, it's going to keep getting better. And I think even whenever number talks are really effective in your classroom, and I feel like this year it has been effective for my students, but I feel like I can always grow. That's my advice. Don't give up, and just whenever you do get to a place where you think, hey, this is going really well, just always have that attitude, but we can even do better. So
I'm coming away with not just the good ideas, but after watching our lead teachers do this, I have really concrete methodology to go on now. I'm not going to be, I hope I can do this. I've actually seen how to do it, and I think I can do it.